Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to install a Shelly 2PM Gen 2 with blinds. And yeah, I prepared already here the cables with the connectors. As you can see here, we have the plus here. The lifeline here, and the plus here, the neutral, and we have here these two, S1 and S2. These will go to the switch here, and the ones that are in the switch will be connected to O1 and O2, and this will go to the lifeline, the black one here, and this one will go into the blue one. Here, two screws, of course. Always make sure to take out the fuse. This is fine now. I open the screws. Don't look at my screwdriver. It's a terrible one right now. It broke. And you should always do this with an electronic one, which I don't have right now, but I know what I'm doing. But yeah, kids, don't do this at home. So now it's out. There you see, hopefully this is up and this is down. And you see here these two relays which are switching, and of course the lifeline and that's the dangerous one, let's say. And you see this one, the black one, is going up to my blind or shutter motor. I actually don't know what is the exact term, but I believe it is a shutter or what have you. And you see here the plus and the earth, which is here already fine connected. And now I will connect the Shelly. Yes, so as I said, up goes to O1. So I take up out, which is brown in my case, up, and this goes into O1. And then make sure to screw it down. So since this is my 8th now, I am already very proficient in doing this, and I can tell you, Claude actually helped me very nicely with the wiring. I was just like showing him some photos, like, look, this is how it looks. Can you make me a plan? And after 2-3 questions on reassuring what's inside the box here, he was like, oh yeah, here it is. He made me an SVG file, a vector graphic, which I then could look at it, and it was just perfect. So, O1, O2 is on here. So now I take S1 for up, which goes in here, and S2, which goes in here. And so this is why we need these now, these Vago connectors. So basically we now take out the one that is here already in the wall, this one, and to make it easier, the one from the shutter, and then we go in with this one here that I made into the wall one, and we put the one from the shutter into this here. Okay, and then now the other part where we take the dangerous one, which of course is not dangerous, not right now because the fuse is out. me take it out. Ooh, just one. This one back, and then we put this one in here, as you can see, and dangerous one in here. Okay, as you can see, everything is wired now and correct. So fuse is back, and as you see, the buttons are working as normally. And now I will go to my Home Assistant app and just connect it. And one thing I need to tell you is you need to calibrate this, and you cannot do this in Home Assistant. All you need to do is get your IP address, which of this one, which you will get, open it in a browser, and then there's a configuration UI. It will do some configuration process, and then it's correct, and the thing knows how much % it's open. And yeah, so this was a quick tutorial on how to install a Shelly 2PM Gen 4. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.